BTAI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is BioXcel Therapeutics stock a buy? I'm about to be breaking all that down in this very brief and short 1 minute video. And as the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. Needless to say, see it pumping up a bit, you know. Yes, my previous idea on the bearish side was correct and that delivered. I'll get rid of all that and focus on the current thing that we have. Genuinely speaking, I'm not going to count anything bullish unless the price breaks above 310 with a full candle close. I don't care about wicks. I want to see a full candle close because generally speaking, this is still what's holding the price down. I mean, yes, I do see the 85% increases, but notice how choppy the pre-market is, you know, because that's what's holding the price inside the supply zone. I'm not going to assume stuff, you know what I mean? Like, if there is a double break, then I'm sure going to look to take it further down. But like randomly selling, it's just not going to be happening. So that's BTAI. Let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.